I guess we made it, guys. It's almost 1 p.m. in the afternoon. My cousin's wedding is about to happen later today. I can't wait for it. Yep, almost 1 p.m. Good afternoon, my people. There's a wedding going on. There's a camera right there, the gimbal. I think that this is a car. Mazda. I cannot wait to go there inside. I think there's a bell. Look at my outfit, guys. Got mini fan just in case having a sweat. I forgot to bring my own power bank, so I have to move on. At least I have a charger. So we'll see what happens when we go inside the wedding. This is going to be a great event. This one's to my beloved cousin that she is about to get married with her husband. Her interior, my people, is about to get ready. We will see what happens. I will bring you guys along. That's my cousin right there. She's holding the iPhone. Oh my goodness, she's about to record me, I guess. It's about to happen, guys. My cousin is about to arrive in this red carpet right here.
At tumihiling ng manalangin upang ang inyong naisip ka pa Jundel at Aileen sa harap ng Diyos at kanyang sambayanan, pagkaupin ninyo ngayon ang inyong mga palad at ipahayag ang inyong hiniing magtipan sa banal na sakramento ng kasal.
Sa ngayon ng Espiritu Santo.
Pasunduhan natin mas gawang palapakan ng bawat isa. Pagkayin ko sa inyo mga bagong kasal kung buhay kayong lagi sa pag-ibig at katapatan. Aileen, pag-ibig mo'y patunayan sa pagiging may bahay na may pananampalataya, kabanalan at pag-ibig sa may tuwan. Jundel, may bahay mo ay ibigin gaya ng malasakit ni Kristo sa simbahan bilang pagsunod sa kalooban ng Diyos Ama sa kalangitan. Sumayin niyo, Panginoon,
At sumayin
magbalaan kayo ng makapangyarihang Diyos, Ama at Anak at Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Ang misa ay may alay na, humayo kayong pagpayapan.
Salamat sa Diyos.
We're now here, guys. This must be my husband and wife's seat at the white couch. You know what, guys? The food is about to ready soon. Look at the event, guys. How cool. Look at the table and the chair. All of these are green. Wow, we got donuts here. Got some donut, guys. I got some juice and pizza, tortilla chips as well. My goodness. Those three women are taking a photo during the wedding for the weekend. Those guys are having the best time taking a selfie right there. They look beautiful, by the way. That's very nice. They're taking a photo with 4 shots right there. Before the event starts, you can see there's waiting for the event right there. We just took a photo right there on my gallery, and then not just that, I'm taking a photo with behind me this one as well. I cannot wait to have to receive the physical photo of itself. So we will have to wait for the event, and we will eat the dinner later tonight. But so far so good. Nobody sits in here, so I guess this is my seat. Nah, I'm kidding. That's Kuya Jundel and Ate Eileen, also known as husband and wife, white seat right there.
And of course, kayo makakasama natin kayo sa araw na ito sa Not So Ordinary Wedding Program ang It's Wedding Time! Okay, did you enjoy being flower girl today?
Yes!
Yes! Anong sumayaw or kumanta?
Makanta!
Ay, marunong ka magkanta. Anong pwede mong kantahin para sa ating... Say cheers! Thank you very much. Mahali na kayong maupo. Isang malakas na palakpakan para sa ating bagong kasal! Turn down the on the stage ang ating team group. Isang malakas na...
Ako nga pala si John Bonante. Ako nga pala ang tagapagligtas ng ating Jundel de la Peña. Ang kamukha ko nga pala ay si Wiz Khalifa.
Thank you very much. Beanies, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi everyone, my name is Medi Atienza, ang Selena Gomez ng Kalamba.
Thank you very much.
Hello, good evening. My name is Ayla Pamulaklaki. Kulukalay ko is Kailin Alcantara.
Thank you very much.
Everyone, I'm Irish A. Pamulaklaki, sister of Irene A. Pamulaklaki. My katokalay is Gabby Garcia.
Okay, my friend.
Mr. and Mrs. De La Peña! Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Mr. and Mrs. Nasaan ang gusto niyo po bang batiin?
Nagpunta dito para masaksihan ang aming pinakamasayang araw. Maraming salamat po sa lahat.
Lahat ng babae, manatiling nakatayo. Opo, ang mga lalaki. Let's all welcome the first girlfriend. 2, 1. And the group. Wedding.
Anak, alam ko na masaya ka ngayon. Sana maging masaya kayong dalawa at maging tagumpay magsama. At maging, isipin mo lagi lang kayo masaya, huwag niyo lagi kayo mag-aaway. Yung parang kapag katatag kayong dalawa.
Guess who's back? Still doing this. Go baby, baby, I got plans with you. Baby girl, we got
out muna tayo dito. Do you think you are invited? Bakit kayo ang invited? Bakit kayo ang makinuhang ninong at nina? And the girl has thousands of friends. On the rest, you are the best. You are carefully picked. Our dinner celebration. Now, girl, as the provider, isang malakas na palakpakan. Thank you very much. As ang having joining as husband and wife, let's all cheers to that. Dubai, naku, mahal-mahal ang pamasahe. Umuwi ka pa, paano yun? Hindi ka na makakabalik. Nag-away na Iraq tsaka Iran. Oo, buti na ako. Hindi mo ka na bumalik, mahal. Okay lang. Diba? Kasi oo ba, malay mo na dito yung forever. May isa pa! Closer pa po, tigil-tigil! 2, 3, say cheers! CPG Catering Services, one of the finest catering services in the metro. Thank you very much! Nasaan ang jowa mo? Ano kong halitan? PJ Baso!
Hey, this is my seat. This is my seat. No, I'm kidding.
Abol na lang tayo, okay? Everybody sing!
That is really fun.
Magaanin lahat. I love you, love. Walang titibang baby.
Batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan. Opo, Father.
Thank you, thank you. Tapos, let's go party na sa kabila. Thank you.
Thank you po.
It is made perfect, celebrating your wedding with the best people around you. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po for making this wedding perfect. Kayo ang dahilan bakit perfect ang wedding na ito. At bakit nga ba perfect ang wedding na ito? Dear wedding guests, this wedding is made perfect because this celebration is made by the perfect bride and groom. Isang malakas na palakpakan para sa ating bagong kasal. As Management and Services, your first best decision is choosing us. Mr. and Mrs. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Miss Rolanda Espera. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much.
Man, that was such a great event, my people. It is a great event. What a good organization and good service with this one. I love it. Till next time again.